Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to disconnect an external bank account on Nav. If you don't have a Nav Prime account yet, we've included our affiliate link in the description below, along with other helpful business tools and resources, so feel free to check those out. Once you've clicked on our affiliate link, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on the Login button to get started. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option for Profile and Settings. Under Profile and Settings, you will see different tabs. Click on the tab that says Bank Accounts. Here you will see the list of your currently saved external bank accounts. Click on the bank account you wish to disconnect. Then, you will see an option that says Disconnect Bank. Click on Disconnect Bank. A pop-up tab will then appear asking if you are sure to disconnect the selected bank account. To proceed, click on Remove. That's how you disconnect an external bank account on Nav. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.